Okay, so this is a tutorial on how to get vnds running on an Android emulator, so the Android version. And let's get right into it. So first, you need to download Android Studio. There are other emulators out there, but I haven't tested them with vnds, and this is the one that I know how to use. So that's why I recommend it for testing vnds on emulator on Android. And then, of course, you'll need the program itself. This is the APK file. You just download it. Links are all in the description, and that's all you need for downloads. Now that you have Android Studio installed, you need to set up an emulator. So on this right side tab here, you have a few different options. You want to pick Device Manager, and then this little plus symbol here, and then Create Virtual Device. Now you can pick any device you want, but I recommend using just a phone-shaped phone, so not the Pixel Fold or anything like that. In this case, just as an example, Pixel 8a. Then next. Now, for API, as you can see, you might have to download it, but the one you pick, it will let you download. And I'm not sure what the exact limit is, but I found that the vnds does not work on more modern emulators. So the one I've gone with is 26 because I know that it works on, excuse me, I know that it works on Android API 26 Oreo. So if you haven't downloaded it already, it'll the next will let you download it. But if you have, then just click next. Then you can just name it. You can name it whatever you want. And then you click this finish button here. I already have one set up, so I will not be clicking that finish button. Then what you want to do is you want to run the emulator. So it's still in this device manager tab, and you just want to click this little play button. So it's a triangle shape. And now the emulator, it typically takes a while, but you want to wait for it to get up and running. All right, now that you have the emulator up and running, what you want to do is go to the device manager tab again. You want to click the three dots on the running device, and you want to go in Open in Device Explorer, and it'll bring up a bunch of different files, a bunch of different folders, and this is the internal storage of the device. So I just have to remember this. You want to go to SD card and then downloads. You can put it anywhere, but I've picked downloads, and then you want to take your APK and you want to let me make it smaller here. You want to take your APK and you just want to drag it into the download folder. And see there, it's been successfully uploaded. Then we can go back to running devices where the device is. Just give me a second. Sorry about that, the emulator gets weird sometimes, but it's still in the device. And then, so you want to go through, it'll be different depending on each phone, but on this it's files. And then see, in the downloads, we have this. And it will, see, it needs to access personal data, so continue, install, and it's installing. You have to accept this. App installed, open, and there you go. And then see, it shows you what folders novels have to be in, and I think you can change it. Yes, you can change what folder. But yeah, that's how you get it set up on Android. I wouldn't recommend doing it on an Android emulator, but if you have an old phone lying around, why not give it a try?